Hello everyone, welcome to College Deco's exclusive AP MSET 2021 exam analysis. In this video, we will do a quick update of Shift 2 analysis and Day 2 detailed review. So, as per the primary feedback received from students, the Shift 2 exam turned out to be above average in terms of difficulty level. Like it's moderately difficult and physics section was a bit tough. It was not easy and it was not very difficult, but it was actually a bit tough. Physics section and chemistry section was moderate. It was not so easy, and mathematics section was moderate but lengthy and time consuming as usual. Physics section, even though it was tough, balanced paper, you can see there were questions from SHM, waves, optics, thermodynamics, electrostatics. It was a balanced paper. And chemistry, as usual, we had questions from SPD, block elements, and there were also questions from inorganic chemistry, maximum questions from organic and inorganic chemistry, etc. So if you see some of the major highlights, if we go with some of the major highlights of today's exam, some of the major highlights of the whole day 2 exam, like shift 1 was moderate and shift 2 was moderately difficult. The physics section was hard in both shift 1 and shift 2. From mathematics, there were 3 questions from length of tangents. These students must know, today there were 3 questions from length of tangents. And physics was balanced with almost questions from all the topics. And chemistry was also balanced with equal weightage for organic, physical chemistry and inorganic. There was one question from order and one question from possible variable. So there was one question from possible variable topic. There were 3 questions from Heisenberg uncertainty principle in chemistry today, and there were 2 questions from probability, that is independent events and sets related, and there were also 2 questions from 2 to 3 questions from conics. And from chemistry there were questions from S, P, D and F block elements. SHM waves also had 1 or 2 questions today, and there was 1 question from statistics and 1 question from sequence and series. So all these analysis we have already updated on our site, and you can click on the links available under this video to check the detailed analysis. And so only one day exam left now, August 25th, shift 1 and shift 2. So tomorrow we will be doing only the shift 1 analysis, and probably shift after shift 2 we will not be doing the shift analysis tomorrow, but we will come up with an overall feedback of AP MSET 2021 exam tomorrow in the evening session. So tomorrow, let's catch up at 12:50 p.m. with Shift 1 analysis. Stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on AP MSET. And many students are asking good attempts. The expected number of good attempts in today's exam is 120 plus, and the average number of good attempts is 75 plus. Thank you for subscribing to us. And students who are yet to subscribe to us, do subscribe, like our channel, so that you get all latest updates related to different entrance exams. Thank you.